last video was uploaded 2 months ago. Get back to work, everyone. We are gonna release on, next month.
Oh my God, bro.
So... Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So, releasing the game. It's like the 4th time we are reworking this right now. Sin got to work and made this combat system. Completed yet. As you can see, there are 2 moves scripted. Side dashes, front dash, and M1S are also in the game right now. Control made these 2 ultimate moves for the game. Those look fire in my opinion. Big shout out to our dev team and managers on helping us to make this game possible. Also, our map builders made this cool-looking map. Just today, they finished 4 buildings for the game. They are cooking for real. Also, you can destroy the map if you don't know. We are gonna add interiors for all the buildings as well. So, that's it for today. Before I show you today's progress, you should join Yokai Battleground Discord server. Me and my team post sneaks and also give announcements about the game in there. If you boost the server, you can get exclusive sneaks every 2 to 3 days. We also host giveaways often in there, so check the link in the description to join. So, we decided not to use framework. Instead, I made my own framework with M1S, down slam, uppercut, and dashes. Also, Robix remade the M1 animations. I think they look good in my opinion. I added effect for the last M1 as well. Forsaken also remade the M1 sound effects. Big shout out to him too. Yet again, Control made another ultimate move. He cooked for real this time. A lot of progress has been made on the map. Thanks again for the builders for their hard work. And that's it for today. So today I added 2 moves to the game. First move is called Turbo Drive, and the second one is Speed Blitz. Both animations were made by Robix. And also the sound effects were done by Forsaken. VFX by me, of course. Cheese made this really cool spawn animation for Okaroon. Big shout out to him too. As for the map, builders made these cool looking statues for devs. And many more things, like this train station from Dandadan and also the Momo's house. They look really clean in my opinion. Well, yeah, that's all. So today, we are hosting a testing section for the game. Without more yapping, let's get straight to it. Also, thanks to our testers for helping us make the game bugless.
Impossible!
Words like tidal waves will sweep me off my quiet cage and count my fireplace and tell me while I lie awake. The moon's got a grudge.